This 20V MAX XR Brushless 5 inches Cordless Random Orbital Sander comes with a 5.0 Ah battery and provides the power and runtime needed to get the job done. A variable speed dial provides ultimate speed control from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM for a variety of projects. One-handed locking dust bag attaches securely to the wood sander to aid in dust collection, or the user can attach the sander directly to the DWV10 or DWV12 dust collectors. Rubber over mold grip provides comfortable sanding. Replacement 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad for quick, easy paper changing. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Orbital sander with brushless motor provides runtime and efficiency to get the job done. Number 2. Variable speed control of the hand sander from 8,000 to 12,000 OPM to match the speed to the application. Number 3. The low-profile height of the power sander allows the user to get close to the work surface for precise sanding. Number 4. Replaceable 8-hole hook and loop sanding pad for quick, easy paper changing. Number 5. Dust-sealed switch to protect against dust ingestion for longer switch life. Number 6. Texturized rubber over mold grip for comfortable sanding. Number 7. One-handed locking dust bag. Number 8. The dust port is designed to fit directly to the DWV10 or DWV12 dust collectors. Number 9. To attach dust port to other vacuum systems with 1/4 inch hoses, use DWV9000 Universal Quick Connector. Number 10. PSA replacement pad available as service part number. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.